Imagine locking 33 refinance loans in 13 days. That's exactly what my friend Eric Bible did by getting ahead of the opportunity. And when rates went down, he'd already created an agreement with his customers at the rate it made undeniable sense to refinance them. We call that establishing a strike rate. And when you establish a strike rate, it enables you to do the selling of the loan before the rate is available. And that means when the rate becomes available, you have the opportunity then to just go in, copy the file, update the file, lock the loan, and you can move much quicker than if you started calling your client database once the interest rate was there. Because as we've seen so far in 2024, we have no way to know how long these lower interest rates will be available. We seem to be on a bit of a roller coaster ride. So I have a little advice for you, and I build this off of what I've learned from Eric Bible, what I've learned from Tim Brahim, what I've learned from Craig Strent, people that have written billions of dollars in mortgage production in their lives. And they had a discipline around setting strike rates with their customers before those lower interest rate opportunities were available. The fourth quarter of 2024 is the perfect time, as rates, as I record this, are actually moving higher. These are the perfect opportunities to do an annual mortgage review with your customers. Just call them and check in on them, see how they're doing, what's changed in their lives. If there's any questions that they might have around the Federal Reserve lowering the Fed funds rate, and yet mortgage rates are moving higher, what's happening in the local real estate market. People have questions, and calling them to end the year in the fourth quarter is a perfect way to reconnect and enter the conversation around creating a strike rate for them. So when those lower interest rates come, you will be ready to pounce. You'll be ready to lock in those loans. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, Josh, I can't possibly do that. I haven't had a conversation with these clients in years. Well, spoiler alert. They're not sitting around thinking, why haven't I heard from my mortgage lender? They're not. So if you call them and tell them you're doing an annual financial and mortgage review for them, they're going to be excited to hear from you. Conversations lead to closings. If you're going to make a decision to sit back and see what happens with interest rates, your success is up in the air. If you decide to create conversations with your past customers, your destiny and your success is in your hands. As we always say inside the Loan Atlas, the genius is in the execution. I hope you found this valuable. I hope you'll take action, and please subscribe to follow our channel.